boy. Right, baby, bitch tastes like cherry, kiwi, real big titty, double ladies.
Hey YouTube, and welcome biggity back to my channel. It's your girl Breezy Bri, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on the Neewer ring light. So if that interests you, or even if it don't interest you, you should keep on watching. Alright, so first I want to start off by saying that yes, I already have a ring light that I'm using right now, but number one, I broke it. Yes, I did. I spent $60 on it. I broke it. It fell and I wasn't fast enough. I was in a different room. It fell and I couldn't come get it in time. Number two, it's just too small and I wanted to upgrade. I wanted something bigger and better. Alright, period. And I heard amazing reviews about the new ring light. I know y'all have seen all the YouTube videos. I know I'm not the first video you came across, but it's alright because I'ma still give you a good review and an unboxing. You can watch me put it together, everything. Alright you guys, so this is the box. This thing heavy. Alright, I'm going to freaking cut it open. This is the big box. So. Okay, so it comes in this like carrying bag, which is cute. That's dope if you like traveled and stuff. Hi guys, so the first thing you're going to do is unfold your light stand and adjust the standing legs at the specific angle that you want. Then you're going to loosen the screw on the pole, and then once you put it onto the light stand, you're going to tighten it back up. So it took me forever to put these things on. To be honest, I think if you follow the directions correctly, you should be fine, but I was out here trying to be a rebel. But you know, it's whatever. We got it done. So you're just going to start from the bottom and work your way clockwise to put these on. Okay, so here we're going to take the ball head and screw it into the smartphone holder. Then you're going to take the screw on the side and screw it tightly to make sure your smartphone holder won't move and slide around. And then you're just going to slide it right into your ring light. So here I'm just going to show y'all how tall it gets, and it gets really tall, which is another reason I love this ring light, because it's like near my height and I can do my hair in a video or anything like that. If you need a reference on how tall this ring light is, I am 5'8", and that's where the ring light comes to me. Alright guys, so this is the on button right here. As y'all can see, it gets bright and brighter. The brightest. Yes, it gets super duper bright. Alright y'all, so this is how it's looking without any light. Dark, gloomy. But when you turn it on, period, what do you mean? Okay, so then this is the brightest setting. Yeah, this is the brightest setting. That's a little too bright. But yeah, it's a really nice ring light. Alright guys, so this ring light also comes with a Bluetooth like thing to take your pictures with. I'll take some pictures with them and insert them now. Period. And I'm cute. So yeah, I think this is a cool tool. Like anytime you want to take a thumbnail, you don't want to show your hands, it's a Bluetooth, honey. Like you're gonna be cute. So yeah, this is cool. I like it. Yeah, it's just cool. Overall, I love the ring light. It's bright, it's big like I want it, and it's definitely worth the money. If you're really into YouTube and making your YouTube videos, I think it's a dope ring light and you should purchase it. You should purchase it, period. Like this ring light gonna make your videos 20 times better. You're gonna be looking bomb, skin gonna be looking clear, like period. But if you made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you all so much, and I love you all so much. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.